Good morning, everyone. I have had so many questions on what I feed these guys to keep them happy and healthy and energetic dogs. So when I made my dog food recipe this time, I recorded it for you guys. As always, before you change your dog's food, talk to your vet and make sure that it's going to be okay for your dogs. My vet has approved my recipe, and I want you to do the same for your dogs. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and let's get into it, y'all. Okay, so here is everything that we're working with today. We have chicken breast, white rice, potatoes and sweet potatoes, mixed vegetables, spinach, blueberry, and eggs. Every single one of these ingredients has a purpose, and together they make a super balanced, nutrient-packed meal for your pups. Okay, guys, let's get into it. The first thing I do is get out my slow cooker and my potatoes. I will take 4 medium-sized potatoes and dice them into cubes. Try not to cut myself. I'm good at cutting myself. I will take my chicken and put it in my slow cooker. And then I will take my potatoes and also slide those in. I will top it off with 6 cups of water. I will cook it on high for 6 hours. Okay, guys, it has been 6 hours. The slow cooker just went off. I'm trying to let it cool down just a little. I will transfer the chicken into the largest bowl that I have, and then I will take the potatoes out. Okay, I'll set that aside and let it cool just a little bit. I am going to take the potatoes out of here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, next I will take one of my small pots. Go ahead and add my bag of rice. I'm going to take the liquid left from the slow cooker and pour it over top of the rice and cook the rice that way. And I'll just cook the rice according to the package directions. And I'm going to grab all of the vegetables out of the freezer. While I'm waiting on the rice to do its thing, I will start to microwave my vegetables. While I have the rice cooking on the stove and the vegetables in the microwave, I will start shredding the chicken. Lastly, I will scramble 6 eggs on the stove. Okay, everything is cooked now, so it's time to add it all into the shredded chicken. I'm going to start with the potatoes, and then I'm going to cut open all of our microwave bags and add those in. Of our mixed vegetables, sweet potatoes, rice, spinach, our eggs. I will mix all of this together and then I'll fold in the blueberries last. And that is it, y'all. It's really not that complicated. The slow cooker helps, the microwave vegetable helps. You just throw everything together, mix it up, and there you go. This will feed my 2 mini Goldendoodles and my Yorkie for a whole week. I feed this to them every morning for breakfast, and then they eat kibble for dinner. As always, check with your vet before you change up your fur baby's food. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And they will sit patiently and wait for me to tell them to eat. I think it speaks for itself, guys. They absolutely love it. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, if you plan on trying this recipe, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see y'all next time.